Transforming Education, exploring the 5E lesson model. The 5E lesson model represents a significant shift in educational practices, emphasizing hands-on learning, inquiry-based approaches, and the application of knowledge in real-world contexts over rote memorization and passive learning. Rooted in the belief that students construct meaning through active engagement and reflection, this innovative approach to teaching has been unfolding since the 1980s, when it was first introduced by the Biological Sciences Curriculum Study. Initially gaining popularity in the realm of science, the 5E model has shown its adaptability across different subjects, establishing itself as a foundational element in modern educational approaches. The 5 stages of the 5E model. The 5E model unfolds in a sequence of 5 interconnected stages: engage, explore, explain, elaborate, and evaluate, each contributing to a more profound understanding of concepts, while fostering curiosity, critical thinking skills, and adaptability essential for addressing modern complexities. Engage, cultivating curiosity. The engage phase sparks students' interest by posing thought-provoking questions, presenting captivating scenarios, or leveraging interactive tools like virtual reality, aiming to ignite curiosity and enthusiasm for learning. For example, in mathematics, presenting students with a mathematical puzzle that prompts them to think critically and creatively, fostering a sense of curiosity and excitement for problem solving. Explore, encouraging discovery. In the explore phase, students actively investigate concepts through hands-on experiments, unhindered by the fear of failure, fostering a spirit of inquiry and discovery, whether through lab experiments or immersive field experiences. For example, in history, engaging students in a historical exploration activity where they analyze primary sources and artifacts to uncover insights into past events, promoting a spirit of inquiry and discovery. Explain, making connections. Transitioning to the explain phase, students begin to make sense of their discoveries, articulating their findings and grasping foundational concepts with the guidance of educators who facilitate knowledge integration through analogies and models. In the language arts, guiding students to analyze a complex literary text and articulate their interpretations, helping them connect the thematic elements and literary devices to deepen their understanding. Elaborate, extending understanding. The elaborate phase challenges students to apply their knowledge in novel contexts, promoting interdisciplinary projects and real-world problem-solving, thus deepening comprehension and sustaining engagement through diverse learning experiences. In geography, tasking students with designing a sustainable city layout based on geographical features and environmental factors, encouraging them to apply their knowledge creatively in practical contexts. Evaluate, monitoring progress. Ongoing evaluation in the final evaluate phase enables educators to refine instructional strategies and students to gauge their progress actively, employing a range of assessment methods such as quizzes and peer feedback to provide guidance for continuous improvement. In chemistry, implementing a lab experiment where students conduct tests and analyze results to evaluate their understanding of chemical processes, enabling both educators and students to track learning progress effectively. Customizing the 5E model for varied learning environments. The adaptability of the 5E model extends across diverse educational settings, from traditional classrooms to virtual learning environments, with the flexibility to incorporate digital tools and resources to enhance interactive and student-centered learning experiences. For instance, in online learning contexts, the engage phase can leverage digital storytelling or virtual labs to stimulate curiosity, while the explore phase may integrate virtual simulations or digital field trips for experiential learning opportunities. Leveraging technology to amplify the 5E model. Technology plays an indispensable role in enriching the 5E model by providing a myriad of interactive tools and platforms that elevate each phase's interactivity, accessibility, and engagement. Digital simulations, collaborative learning platforms, and real-time feedback mechanisms not only augment the engage and explore phases, but also enhance the explain and elaborate stages by integrating multimedia resources and diverse assessment methods. The seamless integration of technology within the 5E model not only broadens its application across diverse learning landscapes, but also enriches the depth and quality of the learning journey, offering students immersive and dynamic educational experiences, navigating challenges and embracing the future. While the implementation of the 5E model presents various advantages, educators may encounter challenges such as balancing guided exploration and ensuring comprehensive explanations tailor-fit to students' needs. The model's adaptability to traditional and digital learning environments underscores the significance of technology in fostering interactive and collaborative learning atmospheres. The future of education, envisioned through the lens of the 5E model, envisions a transformative landscape where students embrace lifelong learning, innovation, and adaptability. With ongoing advancements in technology and pedagogy, this model promises an educational future characterized by heightened engagement, interactivity, and empowerment for learners of all backgrounds.